Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ayush Srivastava, your host, and today I am welcoming you on my new demonstration of restaurant management system project. And in the last video, I have already showed you how you can create learning management system, and that was full live video than 1 hour. If you haven't watched yet, please go and watch it out. And today we are going to explore restaurant management system, and this is all the project structure looks like. And we are going to have a quick understanding. This is fully built on Python, Flask, SQLAlchemy, and libraries. And as you can see, so first we will be running Flask in a DB for initializing the database, then Python app.py to run the application. So the application is hosted on this localhost server. It will be running. I'll copy this and I'll go to the Chrome, paste, and I'll click on login. So this is the admin dashboard login first, and I'm going to admin. I'll enter the password, and this is the whole dashboard how it looks like, right? This is the whole dashboard how it looks like. So this is analytics dashboard where you will be finding total revenue, total orders, net profit. Products will have the outlook of products. So let's create some product. Creating some test products to give you an understanding. This is a tag feature. I'll show you where this tag feature is being used. And I'm just going to dashboard and one more refreshing. I'll add new product. Okay, so the product is added successfully, as you can see. So the order section comes with this, like you can place the order from front end also, and you can create new manual order. So for creating new manual order, we will be testing add to cart and finalize and create order. As you can see, the message is alerted, your order is created successfully. So once I go back, I click on complete. So what it does, the complete functions runs and provide move the order into transaction history in the completed state. Okay, where you can download the receipt, view it. Okay, this is the receipt that is developed on basic HTML template, and we can edit it as per the requirement going forward. QR tables is the feature, like in nowadays restaurants will be having like take orders using the mobile app. So once you scan this QR, it will generate a dynamic URL to for the users to place the order. So I'll show you how the URL will look like. In the orders, you can see that there is no active orders now because orders are already completed. But we have, so total revenue is currently $10. Orders are one, and net profit is $1. So now we are moving towards the front end side. So the it will be look like this menu, and this will be table 2. Okay, so let's suppose we are on table 2 and we have scanned the QR code and logged in. Now we need to add the products. Confirm and send to the kitchen. Order hashtag to $10. Let's suppose we want to place it again and other testing order. Order 2 will become of $20. Okay, so like this it will add merge and add the orders. It will show. You will click on complete, and again the invoices will be generated in the same flow. The flow remains the same, there is no other concerns. You have the option of downloading. You cannot delete the transactions because transactions are, but you can always download this QR also as per your need and pay and paste it on your tables. This will be in PNG format generated, and for this I am using Python library pyqr. Dashboard is updated always. Product is also having the delete option to delete the products. Orders you can't delete. This is all active, and a smart menu. And now as you can see, there are no history found. So as the order is completed, the table gets cleared. Okay, so order completed means that the payment has been done and checkout has been done. So this is what it looks like, the dashboard view currently. It is the minimum viable product as per my understanding to give a full-fledged system. Hope you all like the uh, project. In case of you have any queries, concerns, or any feedbacks, you are open for, I'm really open for it. I appreciate those things, and please drop into the comments. In case if you have any idea or you want some guidance in the project creating and creating such projects applications, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'll surely respond you by whatever means it takes. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you would like the project. Hope you have liked the understanding. This particular project is now deployed on, you can find this project codes and structures on GitHub, and the URL is mentioned in the description of my video. Please, if you are techie or you want something to have an understanding, you can always download the code from there, and or do something, play with the code, whatever it takes. And thanks for watching the video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates. And really, it's been a very great start, and I'm building a fam of, I'm really building a family that is having a beautiful connections. So please join my journey and be the part of it, and really I'll appreciate. Thanks for everything. Thanks for your time. Hope you have liked the video. Have a good day. Bye. See you soon.